Chairman ka Regional Committee Jongka West Khasi Hills uba Paul Lingdo, ulaong baka committee kan salit jurip hakini ki ar Taiew Shak Hapoh badan ka jingya kaja kan thop ka langpi. Haba pentip ya gani menta ka khandai tarik jeliu araja apholai uba Paul ulaong baki kot kisla kidei ki bakong san bha ha ka jingya penbet puat bat ka Assam nalor ka sur jong upai ba.
To move forward, first and foremost, the approach of the government, which is to get the views of the local community, is a very viable and valid approach. We will certainly make all efforts to ensure that instances of harassment and put an immediate stop to, and for this we will do our duty and ensure. I have also spoken to the minister in charge, Home, and we must be in a position to strengthen our patrolling of the border districts at the earliest. And as far as Lampi is concerned, as you're aware, even the KHADC has already approved project of setting up local police outpost at Lampi. I think that must proceed. We will go into the documentation part, and wherever we have valid documents available with the local population, those will certainly strengthen our arguments in favor of Lampi being included in Meghalaya. We will schedule a series of meetings with the traditional institutions and also the heads of the district administrations of West Khasi Hills, and it should take us about 2 weeks or so.